Hey, come on. What's wrong? You want the money first? Huh? How much? It is okay? Come on, take it. It's for you.
Makasih.
So fresh. No. Let me help you. Do it slow.
Lah, dia yang mau nyopotin.
Relax, Sasha. You can do the same in return.
Gini aja, Mister. Saya buka punya Mister dulu, ntar baru punya saya.
You're so
Ya, Mister.
Ya, sabar ya.
Ya. Aduh, sabar dong, Mister. Amat sih.
You're such a naughty girl. Come on.
Bentar ya, Mister. Sabar.
Gimana kalau kita main petak umpet? Mister suka petak umpet?
What's petak umpet?
Tapi mata Mister harus ditutup dulu ya.
Ngagetin aja nih gue.
Can you dance for me first?
Apaan tuh, Mister?
Dance. Let me show you.
Oh,
See?
ya.
Dance.
Ya.
Go ahead, dance.
Ini, Mister.
I want to show you my precious. Let's see how surprised you are.
Itu artinya apa ya, Mister?
Saya mau kamu kasih lihat punya saya.
Where are you?
Sabar ya.
Yeah, I'm here.
Sabar.
10, 9, 8. Apaan sih, Tep? Sembarangan ya.
Tari Jawa nih, Mister.
Dance.
Au!
Kulen. Ngapain sih? Sorry, Mister.
Halo.
Saya mau ngomong sebentar sama teman saya.
Yes, sudah ngomong saja.
Nggak bisa, Mister. Harus di luar. Soalnya
Di
ini
sini saja.
soal pribadi, Mister.
Pribadi masalah. Sana dalam, Mister.
Sudah dalang.
Ya.
Hold on. Hey, don't be too long.
Pantes aja dia teriak.
Beda sama Pak Darmo.
Gede banget. Pantes Centini teriak.